Hi, Power BI users. Have you ever found yourself drowning in reports, endlessly clicking to find where a measure is used, or struggling to track different versions? We've all been there. But what if I told you there is a free tool that can do all of that and more? Meet Powerops, your ultimate Power BI sidekick. This external desktop tool is packed with features to make your Power BI workflow smoother and smarter. You can analyze reports instantly, track usages, track exactly where your measures or columns have been used, easily compare versions to see what's changed and where exactly the change has been made, and even self audit your own reports with already built in best practices.